Welcome to Easy Microbiology. Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing Lactobacillus fermentum, an important bacterium that is highly beneficial as probiotics. We will explore its habitat, morphological features, biochemical characteristics, host range, virulence factors, mechanisms of antibiotic resistance, and more. Let's take a closer look and begin.
Lactobacillus fermentum is a gram-positive bacterium that is commonly found in the human gut as well as other environments. It is used to produce lactic acid, making it an important probiotic microorganism. Lactobacillus fermentum could be beneficial in intestinal health and can improve the balance of beneficial and harmful bacteria in the gut. It can also help maintain healthy digestion and support the immune system.
Lactobacillus fermentum can be found in various environments such as the human gut, dairy products, and soil. Lactobacillus fermentum is a rod-shaped bacterium with a size of approximately 1 to 2 micrometers in length and 0.5 to 1 micrometer in width. It is non-spore-forming and does not have flagella. Lactobacillus fermentum is a fast-growing bacterium that can grow on a variety of media such as MRS agar and demand, rugosa and sharp, MRS, broth. It is also able to grow under anaerobic conditions. Lactobacillus fermentum is a lactic acid-producing bacterium and is homofermentative. It is also catalase negative, oxidase negative, and produces acid from glucose.
Lactobacillus fermentum is a beneficial bacteria commonly found in humans, pigs, and chickens. Known for its versatility, it has a wide array of uses from helping in digestion to serving as a probiotic. This slide focuses on the virulence factors of Lactobacillus fermentum. It is a species of bacteria which is known for its probiotic properties. This bacteria is generally considered non-pathogenic and it does not produce any known virulence factors. This means that it does not cause any infections and it is safe to consume. Therefore, it is widely used in the food industry as a food additive or supplement. Lactobacillus fermentum is generally sensitive to most antibiotics. However, it can show resistance to antibiotics such as tetracycline and erythromycin. This resistance is normally caused by the existence of certain efflux pumps and the connected processes. Knowing these mechanisms is important for combating pathogens and antibiotic resistance. Epidemiology studies have demonstrated the importance of Lactobacillus fermentum in regulating the gastrointestinal system. Supplementation with this probiotic can increase beneficial bacteria in the gut and improve digestive health. Moreover, it has been associated with a reduction in digestive ailments. Moreover, there is evidence that it can improve overall health and immunity. Lactobacillus fermentum, a beneficial bacterium, is generally considered to be non-pathogenic and therefore does not cause infections in healthy individuals. Recent research, however, has revealed its potential therapeutic effects in treating and preventing infectious diseases. The research we are presenting today shows the potential of Lactobacillus fermentum in modulating the immune system. Studies have demonstrated that this bacteria can promote the production of anti-inflammatory cytokines and can increase the activity of natural killer cells. The slide shows a petri dish with research examining the growth of this bacteria. It's an example of immunologic responses being studied to better understand how we can use this bacteria to maintain a healthy immune system. Accurate diagnosis is essential for successful treatment of any infection. In the case of Lactobacillus fermentum, it is difficult to recognize due to its beneficial properties. It is therefore important to conduct culture and biochemical tests to detect the type of infection. This will enable us to accurately identify the infection and ensure successful treatment. Probiotics are advantageous microorganisms that can aid in thwarting infection and promote gut health. This probiotic can diminish the likelihood of infection, lessen inflammation, and bolster the gut microbiome health. Lactobacillus fermentum is a probiotic bacteria strain with remarkable therapeutic qualities. Research has demonstrated its ability to potentially prevent and treat a variety of ailments, such as respiratory issues, gastrointestinal issues, and skin issues. In addition, it has revealed to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, thereby assisting in supporting a healthy immune system and sustaining overall well-being. The findings of this study imply that Lactobacillus fermentum is a common gut bacterium widely considered to be advantageous for gut well-being. Numerous studies have highlighted the potential of this probiotic to cut down the likelihood of infections in addition to improving digestion and supporting the maintenance of a healthy digestive system. Thank you for your attention.